Welcome to Roseate House. It is located in Aerocity, one of the best locations in Delhi. It offers a tranquil ambience. The color combination, lights, overall the entire interiors contribute to it and make sure that you are completely relaxed. Your senses will really be calmed. You will really be able to relax here. So this is my stay for today. This is the corporate suite. The study section is clubbed with the closet area. There are 3 closets and some more storage options. Another section of this room is the bathroom. It is beautifully arranged with mirrors all around it and a tub in the bath center. I really like the bathroom of this room. The suite is with the atrium view and it is another soothing addition to this room. It is beautiful. You will really enjoy the view. This hotel is recommended more for a laid-back trip rather than for a party trip. The ambience inclines you towards a leisurely day rather than an exciting party day. Hotel has provided a variety of hot beverages. TGL has good flavors, so the people who are fond of tea will really enjoy it. I'm taking you to one of the 5 restaurants of this hotel, Kheer. It is a pretty restaurant. You will also find it in some of the movies like Shiddat. Food is nice, staff is nice. They usually serve breakfast in Del, another restaurant in this hotel, but it was completely occupied today. So they have arranged it in Kheer as well. Overall, the hotel is a very good option for relaxing. The surroundings of this hotel are hep. You can enjoy your time in various cafes. The cafes usually organize live singing as well, and it is right next to the T3 terminal. So it is a very good option. The live counters offer dosas, eggs and parathas. Look at the intricate work of this restaurant. It is very pretty. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you. Bye-bye.